Okay, so first of all, I am starting with the Bank Nifty analysis, and after that, I would explain you further. Now, if I check Bank Nifty on 1 day time frame, so right here, if you see, I have marked some levels that are key levels, and right now, index is a bit complicated. Now, what I mean by complicated is there are many support and resistance that is impacting our analysis, and that would help that where we can make our entry or where we don't have to make our entry. So first of all, the support is at this level where my cursor is. It's in these two support are extreme support as of now at the market, and now the other support is this what was the previous all-time high level. The market is right here. So if we every one of us knows that if once the resistance is broke by the by any stock or by index, after that it becomes support. And right now on 1 day time frame, if you check, it is taking support right here. Yeah, if I zoom it for you, so this candle is taking support from this level. I would just mark this level too. This is 37516. It is taking support from this level. Okay. Now coming back to I'm coming back to 1 day time frame. If you see right here, Bank Nifty is forming a symmetrical pattern where it is taking resistance from this upper line and it is taking support from this lower line. So if the risky entry right here would be if it breaks this level, that is 37,899, or to be approx, let's check it 900. If it breaks this level, we can make our entry on 15-minute time frame. Right here, if you see, we can make our entry, and our first target would be this upper line, because we can see it is taking resistance from here. So our first target would be up till here. And if in case it breaks this level too, then we can target this level. As I marked on, as this is the all-time high level on 1 day time frame, I marked here this. Okay. Now moving forward, where we would be placing a stop loss. So our stop loss would be right here. I would just mark the risk reward ratio for you. So our stop loss would be like this, and it's more than 1:1, which can be increased to 1:2 also. Now the second thing, if it breaks this lower line, we would take up till here. Coming back on 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, I've marked this level. If it breaks somewhere around here, we would short and take up till targets up till here. That's approx 200 points. Okay, I'm marking the risk reward too. So suppose it is breaking right here, then the stop loss would be above this, and a target would be right here. That's to see right here. If we see the risk reward is not 1:1, and right here we won't be making our entry. But what if happens is the market giving a breakout of somewhere around here a bit, then our risk reward turns to be 1:1. So we have to be more cautious enough when we are shorting Bank Nifty. Okay, now coming to Nifty 50. So same goes on Nifty 50. On first of all, Nifty 50 is taking support. Sorry, Nifty 50 is taking resistance from its all-time high level. That is 17,901 to 17,940, to be more approx. Okay. Now, if it breaks this level, it's easy. We have to go long and take at least 1:1. We have to work so that we can get 1:1. Now, if Bank Nifty is breaking this lower line, then it might take support, or it would take support from this level, that is 782 7880, 7820 and 7840, the zone. This is the support zone. And if there is somewhere around green candle right here, a candle which is closing with momentum, we would go long and take a target up till here. So for Nifty 50, see, as I said, Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty are right now on complicated zones. So we have to be more cautious whenever we make an entry and be more focused, because we have to make our exit quick or we have to make our entries quick. Okay.